Village residents of West Khasi Hills district today took part in the massive rally organized by the Dorba Chnong condemning the criminal allegedly involved in molestation of minors in the village and demanding stern action against the accused. School children, youth, men and women, along with members of the Khasi Students Union KSU, Hinyotrep Youth Council HYC, Hinyotrep National Youth Front HNYF took part in the rally displaying placards condemning the accused. The rally was followed by an awareness program organized by the Northeast Network Shillong in collaboration with the Office of the District Child Protection Office and Police Department. While addressing a program on crime against children, West Khasi Hills District Child Protection Officer DCPO W. Shabong highlighted various sections of the law that deal with crimes against children. He also urged the people not to only depend on the police department to investigate these crimes, but also to come forward by themselves to report any crimes they witness or suspect. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at